Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings and tap Control Center to add screen recording to controls. This step ensures the record button appears when you swipe. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center on modern iPhones. Use older models with a home button by swiping up instead. Press and hold the screen recording icon to reveal the microphone audio option. Tap Microphone Audio to toggle it on or off based on your needs. Wait for the 3-second countdown to begin your recording session confidently. Tap the screen recording icon and wait for the 3-second countdown. Ensure the microphone audio icon shows red if you want external sound. When microphone audio is on the iPhone, records both internal and external sound. Keep apps playing audio in the foreground to capture internal audio reliably. Stop recording by tapping the red status bar or reopening Control Center. Save the video automatically to Photos where you can edit or share your clip immediately after finishing. Enable Do Not Disturb to prevent notifications from interrupting recordings. Close background apps that might block audio capture before starting a screen recording. If internal audio fails, try speakerphone or a wired headset to capture app sound. Restart the iPhone and update iOS if audio still does not record correctly. Check app permissions and in-app audio settings that sometimes mute recording output. Record a short test clip and inspect audio levels in Photos before creating your final video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.